Hi guys, it's Saya02 and welcome back to my channel. So guys, on my previous videos, I do a lot of unboxing. So yes, and you guessed it right. This is again another unboxing of things that, again guys, I won. Yes, I've told you before on my previous video. If you haven't watched it, please watch it now. That I like joining competition or contests through social media platforms. So whether it's Facebook or Instagram. So again, this one, panalunan ko sila from Instagram. So no further ado, I'm going to share to you all the things that I've got from my winnings. So first stop is this one. So my actually, hindi pa yung address ko tsaka name ko on the box itself. So, this is again at Tom's Farm AE Almonds. So, last time, parang nakain ko na lahat siya bago ko napakita sa inyo. Ngayon, I'm happy to show you yung all flavors nila. Kasi they actually sent me another box. So, I'm so lucky, I know. So, this is actually the honey butter. And this is my favorite one, honey butter. And they have also other flavors such as yogurt almond, which is also my second favorite. It's really nice, guys. And then peach almond and wasabi almond. Last time the box I received, it doesn't have this one. This is the hot and spicy chicken almond. So thank you so much, Tom's Farm, for sending me again box of goodies. I really appreciate your generosity. So Tom's Farm AE, you can follow them on Instagram, and you can buy also this almonds, flavored almonds, on the supermarkets here in UAE. So guys, I highly recommend this. It's a really nice snack for your kids or even for you. So the next one that I got is from K-Secret. So before, I had a collaboration with them with their AHA, BHA, PHA K-Secret set. So this time I won one of their competition with Centellian. So this is actually what I got from them. So ganito siya. Ito talaga yung laman niya, guys. Tada! So I hope you're seeing it. So K-Secret, thank you so much for sending me. And it's actually a collaboration with K-Secret with Centellian Global. So this is the Medeca Cream Power Boosting Formula. So what I knew about this product is it's really used for acne spots. So for pimple, and it's really good. They had before a previous design for this. So this one is actually the upgraded Centellia Season 4. So what is the benefit of this? Ito siya, guys. Ito yung benefits niya. It's for lifting, moisture, soothing, whitening, and anti-wrinkle. So, ayan siya. Ayan. So, thank you so much. I can now try this one and give a feedback on how this product works. And last but not the least, guys. Oo, tatlo lang siyang napanalunan ko, pero guys, parang hindi ako nanalo ng tatlong items because of this one. So really, guys, it's a big box. Plus I have one box here from Patchy. Guys, for those, see, meron pa ako nito. Actually, I won this for an Eid giveaway. So it's really nice. So let me just put it here. And I got a I Love UAE Patchy box. So there, I hope you can see it. So guys, Patchy is an expensive chocolate line here in Dubai. So, I'm so happy to receive this one. I received this from Maria Khalid Shafi. She's a makeup artist. She had a competition on her IG page. And luckily, I was chosen as the winner. So, guys, tada! This is what's inside the box. So, ba't ko nga ba guys sa inyo sinishare? Kasi guys, yung pagsali ko sa Instagram contests or sa Facebook or sa other social platforms, social media platforms, ano siya, madalas ko na siyang ginagawa simula nung na-try ko na manalo. And then I learned that there was actually a lot of us here in Dubai that are Filipinos. So yun lang, Filipinos din sila na sumasali talaga sila sa mga contests. So, sinishare ko lang sa inyo yung mga napapanalunan ko kasi gusto kong malaman yun na joining contests here in UAE or in Dubai itself only is actually legit. Talagang tiyagaan lang, comment, mag-check ka lang, share. You know, those people na nagpapa-contest, they actually check yung may mga nag-e-effort. So, hindi lang naman to through luck. As they always tell me, ang lucky ko daw sa ganito. Nag-e-effort din naman talaga ako by tagging people. Yeah, for those people that I tag a lot, sorry. Pwede nyo naman ako sabihan if I'm being too much already on tagging you. So, I don't get offended. Kasi syempre, ako naman tinatag ko kayo out of my own personal reasons, tapos without your consent. So, just tell me straight, I'll be not tagging you anymore. So, yun lang naman. So, kaya ako to sinishare sa inyo kasi hindi ko naman gustong angkinin lahat ng contests and hindi lang din naman laging ako yung nananalo. There is actually a lot of people and a lot of Filipinas na nanalo more than pa sa kung ano yung nakukuha. So, yun lang naman. Kaya ako siya sinishare. So, this is actually what's all about my unboxing of my winnings talaga. So, ito nga guys, yung laman niya. So, I will already check how much yung napanalunan ko from Miss Maria. It actually costs almost 1,250 dirhams. This item is a Zuweba Nude Spectrum Eyeshadow Palette. Yan siya guys. Sana nakikita nyo. So, medyo pricey din yung mga items na nandito sa box and it's really all brand new. So, this is a Bioderma's makeup removing solution. So, di ba ang laki niya? So, actually, you can put down how much for each item. So, this is a MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus. So, yan siya. And then, this is a Sephora Size Up. So, this is a nice mascara. And then, this is Fox Winkies from Ardell. So, ito pa lang guys, so may price siya. 47.50 dirhams for this Fox Wing. So, medyo talaga siya pricey. So, this is a beauty blender. Original siya. Beauty blender. The brand itself is Beauty Blender. So, I've checked actually how much is this. Parang 50 plus dirham siya para lang sa maliit na to. Which is, hindi kasi ako pala gamit ng beauty blender. Pero now, I had one. So, this is La Roche-Posay. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. So, this is a sunscreen. Medyo, etong brand na to, medyo pricey siya. I think this one alone is 80 dirhams or 90 dirhams plus. I'm not really sure. So, what else? A Kat Von D tattoo liner. So, this is an eyeliner. This is by Kat Von D. Maliit nga lang siya. So I also have minis. The for professional and origins clear improvements. Yan. So minis lang sila. This is actually a primer. And this one is a wash-off mask. Maliit lang. I like Benefits primer. So right now I'm using the pink one. And then I have here 3 OP. If I'm OP, right? OP siya, OP. 3 nail polishes. So one is a red nail lacquer. And then one is a natural base coat and one is another top coat. So kompleto na siya. Guys, hindi pa. Ito na yung pang kompleto niya. So this is a OP Edge 150. So this is a nail file. Actually, this cost 20 dirhams para sa nail file na to. It's really nice. And last but not the least, which is one of my favorite, actually one of my favorite among all this stuff is this one. This Estee Lauder. Still having problems pronouncing this one. So this is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. So I've checked how much is this, guys. You won't believe it, but this costs 252 dirhams. So see, this alone is already 250 dirhams. So yep. Ayun, guys. This is what I got. And I'm not bragging this. I'm just wanting to share all the things that I got from the competitions. And guys, if you will follow me on my Instagram, most of the time, sinishare ko siya on my stories kasi I want others as well to join and get the chance to win those competitions. So, that's it, and that's what this video is all about. And if you enjoyed this one, please click like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So guys, see you on my next video. Bye!